All right, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. So, off. Off. Not active anymore. Yeah, not not active anymore. The machine is turned off. The machine is turned off. Off. Not in a place anymore. We took it off the table. It is off the rack. We moved it off the hooks. I took it off the bookshelf. I took the book off the bookshelf. I turned the music off. Turn the music off. Yeah. The bird flew off the branch. How cool is that? It just flew off. Yeah, the bird just flew off into the air. It just flew off into the air. Yeah. I am rubbing it off now. Yeah, there's something wrong here. I'm rubbing it off. We're cleaning it off. Off. Not in a place anymore. Yeah. Do you think it will come off? Yeah. Can you turn off the machine? The machine is on, then off. Do you think it will come off? Maybe there's a stain. Do you think the mark will come off? Maybe. The mud will come off when it is washed. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, yeah, off. Now, can you use off in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you look for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.